So in my opinion, these would probably be the hardest questions that I've got mixed into everything because they've got something mixed in that you might not notice at first. So let's look at what it looks like. So I've got an 11 right there. I've got a 37 over here. So this is the issue. I need to do this. I need theta over 360. It's the length of an arc times 2 pi r. I do not have the radius, and I also don't have the angle because the angle is right here. So I'm missing both of those things. I don't have the radius because the radius is here or here, one of those two. So now I've got to think about, well, what could I do to get either of those things? Well, so hopefully you'll notice from before that if this and this are both the radius, they're the same. That means it's an isosceles triangle, which means that's 37. So I can find the angle by just doing 37 plus 37, which is 74, and 180 minus 74, which is 106. So my theta is 106. So it's 106 over 360 times 2 pi. I still need that radius, though. The radius is a little bit harder to get because I got to look at this picture, and now I can replace that theta with a 106. That's not a 106. 106, and hopefully you're like, oh, wait a minute, law of sines. Okay, so I have to do a law of sines question to get the radius. So it's going to be 11 over sine of 106 equals r over sine of 37. And I'm finding either one here. So I'm going to cross multiply this, and I'm going to end up with 11 times sine of 37 over sine of 106 equals the radius. So I'll put that in the calculator. I skipped showing you how I got there, but I'm thinking we're all good. So 11 times sine of 37 divided by sine of 106. So there's my radius, 6.886. So 6.886 equals the radius. So that is going, well, super neat math work in right there. So I'm going to take this and put it in the calculator. So alpha y equals 106 over 360 times 2 times pi times the radius, which is that number right there. So my arc is 12.74 long. 12.74. Okay, and that is hard because it's got 3 different parts basically. I got to find the angle using 3 angles of a triangle, add to 180, and isosceles triangle. I got to find the radius using a law of sines, and then I got to figure out the arc length using the formula.